Since its creation in 1971, the Council of Europe's Pompidou Group has grown to a multidisciplinary cooperation platform on drug policy.
Well, the Pompidou Group provides a forum where open debate is not only possible, but also welcomed and embraced. And I believe that open debate will be necessary when searching for the way forward in drug policy debate and development in the years to come.
As an international forum of open debate, the Pompidou Group brings together policymakers, professionals, and researchers to develop innovative and balanced responses to drug problems. Its greatest asset lies in its needs-based approach. Activities are implemented along the priorities set by the member states and seek to support more cost-effective policy solutions to drug-related challenges, calling on all actors of society for change.
I believe that the increasing involvement of civil society in the discussions held by the Pompidou Group is an added value to the definition or to the discussion of public policies on the field of drugs.
The main input that we have in the Pompidou Group is the cooperation among experts, among those who are in the field and who really know what are the scientific basis for dealing with drugs. Today, we do consider that the Pompidou Group is well ahead of other think tanks, other international groups, other cooperation instances in the way in which they are handling and looking at the drug problem. We have been able to learn and we have been able to exchange information on new methods and in new practices that allow us to better track and to better seize drugs that are being and imported into our country.
I think that the main added value is to put together different culture, different policy, different best practice and achieve the common position and the common guidelines. And this is the main outcome.
The Pompidou Group undertakes a bridging role between European countries and those outside Europe. Its MedNet network promotes the importance of understanding addiction as a healthcare issue and provides training and research support on both shores of the Mediterranean for developing specific treatment and care services for people who use drugs. The Pompidou Group implements much-needed capacity-building activities for further developing drug treatment services in prison settings, including therapeutic communities and substitution treatment, with the overall aim of improving public health in prisons. In the field of law enforcement, the Pompidou Group facilitates participation in real-time, multilateral action on critical issues that extend beyond borders, such as drug trafficking through airports, precursor product control, and drug-related cybercrime. The annual expert meetings allow law enforcement officials to share data and modus operandi and build partnerships for joint operational actions. The Pompidou Group is an integral part of the Council of Europe and as a body bringing the organization's core values, human rights, democracy, and rule of law, into the drug policy debate. In this spirit, it promotes an inclusive approach to drug policy challenges, taking into account the specificities of each gender and supporting the empowerment of young people to participate in the drug policy debate. The humane drop policy approach, promoted by the Pompidou Group, has become a uniting factor for different countries from all over the world. The Pompidou Group, an asset for Europe, a resource for the global community.